Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Redmi K40 Gaming aka Poco F3 GT mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then followed by the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, on the phone body, apply heat to soften the glue on the camera lens frame, and then gently using a pry tool or tweezer take out the camera lens with the frame. Next, peel the adhesive and disconnect the connector plug, and then take out the shield. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 10 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the secondary board cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect and take out the main flex from the body, and then disconnect the secondary battery cable from the secondary board. Next, take out the not working battery by loosening the adhesive. First, loosen the adhesive on both sides and then pull it by the tab. Be gentle and lift the battery. Next, place the new battery in the body and then secure the adhesive. Next, place the main flex by connecting 3 plugs from the top and bottom sections. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and place the logic board frame by adding 10 screws. Next, connect the flasher plug and place the adhesive and the shield. Next, place the camera lens with the frame on the body by adding adhesive. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.